Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Creatrix YouTube channel, my dear friends. I'm back with another MTech guidance video about NIT Warangal. So this time I have chosen one of the most famous NITs, that is NIT Warangal, and we will be learning about the cutoffs, the branches, the placement, as well as the fees that this institute charges. So guys, if you are thinking about going for MTech in NIT Warangal, this video is tailor-made for you. So let me start by introducing myself. My name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes, and currently I am working as a director at an academy for GATE department. My dear students, you know all of this about me. Most of the students anyways know this about me, but what I say that this channel is actually revolutionary in the field of GATE and ESE preparation because we provide the maximum number and the best quality of free initiatives if you compare with anybody else out there. Now my friend, you can access our free initiatives through YouTube, as well as you can access them using Unacademy learning app. Just unlock them using the code Ankit ESE. Okay, other than that, my friend, if you want to access my special classes that I take on the Unacademy learning app, just visit this link. Go to the upcoming section. You will find all the classes that I am going to take in the future. And we are also running a Master Blaster practice series in the special class. If you access this, you can actually practice 10,000 questions before GATE exam. And if you do that, definitely your preparation will be much better as compared to what it might be right now. So let's get started about NIT Warangal, my dear. Let's get started. So basically, let's start about the electrical department first. What are the courses that it offers and what are the specializations? So Department of Electrical Engineering is one of the oldest department in NIT Warangal. It was established as one of the major departments since the inception in 1959. So NIT Warangal was established in 1959 and it is one of the first departments. So it offers BTech, MTech in Power Electronics and Drives and Power System and Research, PhD programs as well. So basically here we have BTech, MTech as well as PhD student. Now why is this important? Because guys, if you go into a diverse institute that caters to BTech, MTech and PhD, you will get to learn a lot because you will be interacting with a different kind of people out there. Here is the pic from the campus of NIT Warangal. Arey wow, what kind of a beautiful campus it has. So that is the best part whenever you go into a college, and if the campus is really beautiful, then your college life really becomes a lot more interesting. So my friend, let's discuss about MTech in Power System. So it is offering the research area as Power System Stability, okay, Power System Restructuring and Deregulation, Power System Protection. Now this is one of the field where you can actually do a great amount of research. Distribution System Automation, Power System Transient Renewable Energy beta. This is also very important because nowadays we are moving towards the renewable energy sources, power quality. That means the voltage quality, current quality and all those. MTech in Power Electronics and Drives. So here we have Hybrid Energy Storage System, one of the upcoming field, a great field to have. Electric Vehicle, beta, this you hear about continuously by the name of Tesla Motors. Yes. So they are working on electric vehicle. DSP application to drives, definitely you can apply digital signal processing, switch mode power conversion. So this can also be interesting. So as far as I feel, the Power Electronics and Drives is a way more interesting branch in NIT Warangal as compared to Power Systems. And side by side, beta, keep looking at the pics I am showing from NIT Warangal campus. This might actually compel you to join this institute. What about Electronics and Communication? So the ECE department at NIT Warangal has been an international reputation of excellence in teaching, research and service. With excellent lab facilities, dedicated faculties, it offers a broad range of programs that include undergraduate BTech, postgraduate MTech in instrumentation, VLSI, communication. Okay. So 3 departments are there: instrumentation, VLSI and communication. So let's see the undergraduate undergoing sponsored project. Radar emitter identification using neural networks. So these are the sponsored project. That means the industries are actually paying the college to research on these projects. And guys, if you get your hands on such kind of project, it will be a major learning experience and it can actually get you placed after you complete your post graduation. Manpower development in VLSI, study and development of real-time adaptive filter, Intel atom-based embedded system laboratory development. Oh. If Intel is developing a laboratory at NIT Warangal, you can understand what kind of a lab it will be and how interesting will it be to work in such a laboratory. What about the placements, guys? So, total students placed in 2019 were 257, in 2020 were 220. Okay. Maximum CTC 39 lakhs per annum. Beta gazab ekdam. 2020 43 lakhs per annum. Median means what? Maximum, or you can say the midpoint kind of a thing. So when you arrange a distribution, the midpoint of that distribution is called as a median. But let's not go into statistic. It was 9.93 and it was 12.5. Kind of a average. It is very close to the average. So in order to understand in layman terms, you can understand that it is just like an average. So you can easily get 10 lakh per annum package after MTech in NIT Warangal. Top recruiters were Adobe, Oracle, Amazon, Accenture, Microsoft, Mahindra, HPCL, Gale, Schneider Electric, Qualcomm, Intel and OYO. Oh my god. So one of the biggest companies, Schneider Electric, Qualcomm, Intel, these are the giants in electronics, beta. Giants, really. They are leading the research, they are leading the development, they are leading the market. So if you get placed in such companies, definitely you are going to learn a lot. What were the cutoffs? Now, please don't cry after looking at cutoffs just like this person. The cutoffs are not that very high. Okay. So VLSI system, you can say 774 to 709. Power electronics 757, power system 715. That means if you lie between 700 and 800, that is a safe score to have for going into NIT Warangal. For OBC, it will be between 650 and 750. EWS again 650 and 750. SC between 500 and 600. And ST between 450 to 500. So these are the safe score if you want to go after NIT Warangal. Then my friend, what is the fees? What is the fees? Details of the fees. Tuition fees in first semester is 35,000. In all 4 semester it is 35,000. In the first semester, the other fees that they will charge is the 32,000. In third semester they will charge 7,500. But there is no other fees in second and the fourth semester. Okay, for SC ST, other fees is 32,000. They are not charging any academic fees. Hostel fees, first sem is 49, then 18, then 34, then 18. That means at the beginning of year, they are charging you more because in first and the third semester, they are charging higher. So yes, the fees is quite appreciable, but so are the placements. If the placements are good, definitely the college will be charging you a lot. Okay. So my friend, that's all. And if you want to become a member of Unacademy Plus, do become a member of Unacademy Plus, where you will get all the top educators teaching live on a single platform, providing comprehensive as well as crash courses. And not only this, they provide you daily assignment, weekly test series, question bank, and solve all your queries. Other than that, beta, in one subscription, you can prepare for GATE, engineering services, PSUs, state AE examinations. But if you want to fly higher, go with Iconic, where you will get all these benefits along with much more. You will get a personal coach who will create a study planner for you. Teachers will provide you study booster session. You will get test analysis done separately, telling you your strengths and weakness, study material, and a dedicated team to solve all your queries, beta. So if you use the code Ankit ESE, you will immediately get 10% discount on this beautiful subscription, as well as you come under my personal guidance. Now my friend, We have started a new batch on Unacademy where I'll be taking measurement at 7:30 a.m. and still we are in the initial phase of the course. So you can still join and enjoy the full benefits of this course. And Vishal sir, your favorite Vishal sir will be bringing communication systems course from 9th of June beta. So stay tuned. Sir will be teaching this subject in the best manner possible. I can't think of any educator who can deal this subject better or any other subject for that matter. He'll be taking classes 3 hours each day because it needs more than 150 hours. So beta, without any thought process, just join Unacademy, learn communication from the god of EC, Vishal Soni sir, and I can tell you, nobody can teach you better. And my friend, on 6th of June, we are having a scholarship test in which you can win even up to 100% scholarship. Just use the code AnkitESE and register for this scholarship test. Top 3 people will get 100% scholarship. With Ankit ESE beta, your 1 year fees becomes 27 to 25, 18 months, 34, 650, 2 years, 39, 600. Better go for 2 year. It has minimum per month fees and you can pay it in installment without interest on your debit card, or you can avail education loan from Unacademy. With Ankit ESE in Iconic, your 1 year fees would become 45 to 25 and 2 years 66, 600. Beta, go with 2 years. Your per month fees will be minimum. Then my friend, this is my Unacademy profile, Ankit2047. Feel free to message me and chat with me. Then my Telegram channel, dear. My Telegram channel is this, t.me/gateair1. This is my Telegram channel. Okay, so thank you everyone. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment below the video if you like the video. And my friend, do tell us what college you would like to learn about, and I'll definitely cover that in this series. So see you soon. Till then, keep rocking. Let's crack it.